Hello guys and welcome back to another video. We are back analyzing BTC. So what we have here, look, this is the 15 minutes time frame on Binance. We are on the BTC USDT and I am seeing here is that BTC is respecting this trend line or this channel very actively. It bounced back from here, it bounced back from here as well. Most probably BTC will go back to 56,000 and then bounce back again to 56,221, eventually to 55,000. And then from what we have analyzed previously, I think BTC is gonna go to this major support area, which is 50,000. So I think I have a reason why to this is because as we can see from the liquidation heat map of the 6 month of BTC, this is a very strong downtrend from 70,000. There was a lot of liquidity here in this area. If you can see, liquidation leverage was like around 5.89 billion here. So most of the liquidity varies around here 50,000. So as you guys know, when there is high liquidity, we have two price movements, that is either going up and going down. And when there are less liquidation area like this, the purple ones, where there is less liquidity, price tends to move in the direction which is like it's keep moving from. What I meant to say is that, as you can see here from the past 1 year, when there is no liquidation, price trends to follow it trends. Okay, what I mean by this is from here till here, it is a positive uptrend. We might see some short positions right here, but still liquidation kept it up. More liquidation here, there was no liquidation in this area, so price followed its trend and grabbed this liquidity here and went up and grab this liquidity here to go up. Many long positions here, I guess. When it rejected from this first 73,000 area, people knew that this is a really good support and there was a lot of liquidity here. So not enough liquidity extracted, and it went up to touch this price zone and then went up again. It was a triple top right here. It was meant a bearish signal. The chart has been into bearish momentum since then. And what I mean by less liquidity is right this zone here. I think price will tend to drop to 50,000 because there isn't much liquidity here to fill up the long positions. If the whales try to enter in this market to go long, I think the 50,000 will be a great area, and if it fails, then we might see some correction down to 40,000, eventually to 30,000. But I don't think that is possible, quite possible. I think the reversal should be right here from 50,000, a double top and a good consolidation area as well. And we might hit even 70,000 and 100K in the future. But who am I to say so? We have to analyze for the present. Uh, so the present tends to say BTC will go to 50,000 and then bounce back to 70,000. We can see from the 1 hour perspective is that this was a major key area. The price didn't respect it. This was a, you can say, a rising wedge, from which I can estimate my target up to 53,000, which we can check up to daily candles. This is 53,000, which is approximately here. So yeah, this is key area 53,000 first, because it can make a double top here, like grab some liquidity here. Because if we can see from the 12 hours perspective, I can see some liquidity in 53,000 area as well, like right around here 56,000 and 55,000. These are major key areas for the price reversal. Most probably 56,000 will be quite good. And then if we can go to 24 hours, we can see. Yeah, I think this is the only way the BTC can grab liquidity and go up from here. But the sentiment of the market is not positive right now. So if you can see the 1 week formations, yeah, as you can see right here, I think that 53,000 and 54,000 are crucial levels for the BTC recovery. It has been a downtrend for 1 week, you can see here, and it has quite respectively, but it hasn't broken its recent high. That is right here around here. So at least if it's not broken this high, I think it's not safe to say that BTC has potentially reversed. I think that BTC can reverse probably from 55,000 eventually or from 50,000. That depends upon what the market has to say and what the news are have. And if we can see from the market pivot point, it's quite actually indicating us that 50,000 is quite possible here. If price doesn't reverse from the point it is standing right now, which is right here, this one, which is 56,050. I think that this candle shows a liquidity grab from the key level 50,000 area, 53,000 area, as I've said earlier. And why is that? Because as you can see here, 53,000 area is quite grabbing liquidity from around here, and key liquidity areas are here. I think short positions will be held here, or even long positions. But if we can come to a conclusion, as we can also see the BTC news is right here, the most popular news is popular. Let's see, Bitcoin set for worst week in nearly a year. Okay, Michael Saylor has it. They say BTC volatility. BTC faces major correction as 200 EMA breaks. Bonds trading expert Peter Bandit. Yeah. So as I said earlier, if we can go down to the smaller time frames, let's check 1 hour. As I've said earlier, this pivot point is indicating down reversal. Most probably BTC, if it wants to go up, which is not quite possible because there are quite some low volumes, and MACD is also indicating that. So yeah, we can come to a conclusion that 53,000 and 54,000 are crucial support levels, and after that 50,000. And if we tend to move upwards, I think we should consider this. If this level breaks, which is around 58,000, then I will think this is a good opportunity to enter longs. But until then, I don't think this trend line is keeping a really good momentum in the market to go down. And this is also indicating as well that market should go down to 54,000 eventually and to 50,000 eventually. But let's hope for the best. I think price will reverse from around here, 54,000, because this is a trend line support as well. And most probably RSI will reach to oversold position because I've set my RSI to 36, which is which is the candle of the past 36 candles, which is daily. If we can check in one day, I've set my RSI to these candles, which is if we can check from here, like right here to this point. This is approximately 36 candles, and RSI is also set up to 36 candles, which tells us that RSI here is going to be a low around 50,000. Yeah. And what does MACD has to say about this? Uh, no possibilities of any reversal till now. Let's check in week. Still, I think key RSI level zone is around here, 50,000. And yeah, this is it, I think, for today. And we will continue and help you guys analyze BTC more accurately in the future. Have a nice day, everyone.